In today's video, I'm going to teach you change the URL, permalink, of a page, post. A permalink is the part of your web address that identifies a specific page, and getting it right helps with clarity, branding, and search engine optimization. We'll walk through updating it safely and correctly inside WordPress. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Start by signing in to your WordPress dashboard. From there, head to Pages, then select All Pages so you can see the full list of pages on your site. Locate the page you want to update and choose the Edit option for that page. This opens the editor where you can make changes to the content as well as the page settings. On the editor screen, look to the right-hand sidebar. Find the section labeled URL. Depending on your theme or editor version, it may appear as URL, permalink, or slug, but it serves the same purpose. Click it to reveal the current permalink value. This value controls the last part of the page's web address. Now change the permalink to your new, cleaner value. A few quick tips as you type. Use lowercase letters, separate words with hyphens, and avoid spaces, special characters, or very long phrases. Aim for short, descriptive, and human-friendly. For example, about our team is much clearer than a long, keyword-stuffed string. As you edit, WordPress will typically show you a preview of the full URL so you can confirm it looks right. When you're happy with the new permalink, click the Update button in the top right corner of the editor. Wait for the confirmation that the page has been updated. That's it, the URL is changed. A couple of important notes to keep your site healthy. Changing a URL can break old links that point to the previous address, including bookmarks, search results, and links from other pages on your site. If the old URL has already been shared or indexed, consider setting up a redirect so visitors hitting the old address are automatically sent to the new one. Also, review your menus and internal links to ensure they point to the updated URL. If you use caching or a content delivery network, give it a moment for changes to propagate. These same steps apply to posts in a very similar way, and the principles for choosing a clean, readable permalink are identical. With that, you've successfully updated a permalink in WordPress in a safe and intentional way. Keep your URLs consistent, descriptive, and stable, and you'll make your site better for both visitors and search engines. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.